Hey everybody, we left Philadelphia and we're on our way to Shenandoah National Park. Traffic made this drive a little bit long, but compared to some of the treks we had already done, it wasn't too bad. For us, it was about a 6-hour drive from Philadelphia to Shenandoah County in Virginia. We booked our stay at the local KOA, which was tucked pretty far off the highway up against a small mountain range. The interesting thing about Shenandoah National Park is it covers 8 different counties, none of them being Shenandoah County. So even though it was a nice place to camp out with plenty of amenities, dog park, pool in the summer, a little fishing pond, it was still 40 minutes to get to the entrance of Shenandoah National Park, which was over in Page County. And on top of that, the big thing you do in Shenandoah National Park is drive Skyline Drive, which took an additional hour. So while it was a nice campsite, it was really too far away from the national park. The park was certainly gorgeous. Seeing it in fall would probably be peak time. It was cold, very cold while we were there. The boys were pretty good troopers with all the photo opportunities we wanted, even though it was much more cozy in the car. Despite the cold and the leftover snow, we did have a nice hike. We did make it up to the highest point in Shenandoah National Park, where there was a nice lookout down into the valley. We did spend some time at the visitors center so the boys could get their badges. A big portion of the visitors center here focuses on how the park was built. Shenandoah was constructed by the Civilian Conservation Corps, which was a government jobs program during the Great Depression. They constructed everything from rock walls, they put plants in to avoid erosion, put in the campgrounds, the picnic sites, and a bunch of the trails that are there. In the evenings, we're able to come home and get some campfires started and cook up some s'mores. Had to stay close to the fire because it was so cold outside, but that did not stop Rockwell or Hunter from helping with the roasting of marshmallows. And those activities kept us occupied for the first few days in Shenandoah. Coming up next, we diverted from our main goal of seeing national parks to check out a cool attraction that was there. That is the Luray Caverns. So we'll catch up with you tomorrow, and I'll take you through a tour of our adventure there. Thanks for watching. We'll chat with you then.